Welcome to OnlyOffice, the ultimate solution for document editing and collaboration. Whether you're working on a Word document, crunching numbers in a spreadsheet, or designing a presentation, OnlyOffice has you covered. It's cross-platform, open source, and designed for seamless teamwork. You can install it on your desktop, work online, or even integrate it with cloud platforms like Nextcloud. With OnlyOffice, you get professional-grade tools, compatibility with Microsoft Office formats, and advanced collaboration features. Let's get started with installing OnlyOffice on Ubuntu. I want you to have the best experience while watching. Make sure to use the timeline markers I've added for easy navigation through the key sections. This way, you can jump directly to the parts you're most interested in. Enjoy the video and let me know your thoughts in the comments. First, open your web browser. For this demo, I'm using Firefox, but feel free to use whichever browser you like. Now, go to the OnlyOffice official website by typing OnlyOffice official website in your search bar. Once the page loads, you'll land on the home page. Let's move to the next step. Look for the Get OnlyOffice section. This is where you'll find all the download options for different platforms, including Windows, Mac, and Linux. Under Get OnlyOffice, click on the Download button, which will take you to the download page. From there, locate and click on the Linux section. Once you're in the Linux section, look for the Debian version and click on it. You'll now see the download link for the Debian.deb package. Click on the download link for the .deb file, and the download will begin automatically. This file is about 270 megabytes, so depending on your internet speed, it may take a few minutes. I want you to have the best experience while watching. Make sure to use the timeline markers I've added for easy navigation through the key sections. This way, you can jump directly to the parts you're most interested in. Enjoy the video and let me know your thoughts in the comments. First, let's navigate to the Downloads folder where your installation files are located. Open your terminal and type the following command, cd-downloads. Press Enter. This command will take you to the Downloads directory where we can access the necessary files for installation. Now, we need to install the .deb package using the dpkg command. This will allow us to set up the software on our system. Sudo dpkgi OnlyOffice Desktop Editors *.deb. Remember to replace OnlyOffice Desktop Editors *.deb with the actual file name if it is different. You can use tab completion to automatically fill in the file name. Press Enter, and you'll be prompted to enter your password. Once entered, the installation process will begin. Wait for the installation to complete. If there are any dependency issues, don't worry. We'll handle that in the next step. I want you to have the best experience while watching. Make sure to use the timeline markers I've added for easy navigation through the key sections. This way, you can jump directly to the parts you're most interested in. Enjoy the video and let me know your thoughts in the comments. If you encounter any missing dependencies during the installation, don't worry. We can fix them easily with the following command, sudo apt-get install f. Enter this command and press Enter. This will install any required dependencies for the package, ensuring that everything runs smoothly. Allow the process to complete. Once it's done, your software should be successfully installed and ready to use. And that's it. You've successfully installed the software on your Ubuntu system. After the successful installation, you can launch OnlyOffice directly from the Applications menu. Alternatively, you can open the terminal and type OnlyOffice Desktop Editors. Press Enter, and OnlyOffice will start up. Enjoy using your newly installed software. And that's it. You've successfully installed OnlyOffice on your Ubuntu system. And that's it. You've now successfully downloaded and installed OnlyOffice on your Ubuntu operating system. If you have any questions or run into any issues, drop a comment below, and I'll be happy to help. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.